Hello, I'm going to begin with addition, and I'm going to begin with make 10 hard. Here I start with 54. To make 60, I need 6 more. 6 and 2 more make 8, therefore 60 plus 2 is 62. 49 to make 50, need 1 more. To make 5, we need 4 more, therefore 50 plus 4 is 54. 13 to make 20, we need 7. 7 to make 8, we need 1 more. Therefore 20 plus 1 is 21. 17 to make 20, we need 3. We need 2 more to make 5. Therefore 20 plus 2 is 22. 19 to make 20, we need 1. 1 to make 8, we need 7, therefore 20 plus 7 is 27. Go on to subtraction. We'll make 10 the hard way. 50 to make 50, we subtract 1. We need 4 more to make 5, and 50 minus 4 is 46. 81 to make 80, we take away 1. To make 2, we need 1 more. Therefore 80 minus 1 is 79. 21 to make 20, we subtract 1. To make 7, we need 6. So 20 minus 6 is 14. 87 to make 80, we subtract 7. To make 8, we need 1 more. And 80 minus 1 is 79. 47 to make 40, we subtract 7. To make 8, we need 1 more, and 40 minus 1 is 39. We go on to multiplication times 5, and this is thinking of using tens and then taking half of that. So thinking 10 times 6 is 60, half of 60 is 30 because 5 is half of 10. 5 times 4 is 10 times 4, which is 40. Half of that is 20. 5 times 2, thinking 10 times 2 is 20. Half of that is 10. 5 times 1 is 10 times 1, which is 10, and half of that is 5. 5 times 5, think of 10 times 50. 10 times 5 is 50, and half of that is 25. Going on to division, quantitative, we take 18, we put them into quantities of 9 to get 18, which is 2 groups. Therefore, 2 times 9 is 18. 27, put them in sets or quantities of 9. We need 3 sets of 9 to equal 27. 27 divided by 9 is 3. Here we have 48 in quantities of 8. We need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times 8 is 48. 63 into groups or quantities of 9. We need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 groups of 9 to make 63. And 12, putting them into groups of 2, we need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 groups of 2 to make 12. I think that Greg Tang's math is a great way or a new strategy that students can use to think of using for operations. Different way to use than what has been the traditional way of doing it. It goes from easy to hard, and so it is also differentiated in that way.